Make a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable. All traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, convertible soft top. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.